Sales Performance Report. It is a crucial document that provides a comprehensive overview of a company's sales activities and outcomes within a specific time frame. It's designed to analyze sales data, evaluate the effectiveness of sales strategies, and provide actionable insights for improvement. Here's a detailed breakdown. Purpose of a sales performance report: performance evaluation, to assess the effectiveness of sales teams and individual sales representatives, to measure progress against sales targets and goals, strategic decision-making, to identify trends and patterns in sales data, to inform strategic decisions regarding sales strategies, resource allocation, and market penetration. Identifying areas for improvement, to pinpoint weaknesses in the sales process, to identify areas where training or coaching is needed. Forecasting and planning, to provide data for accurate sales forecasting, to assist in planning future sales initiatives. Motivation and accountability, to provide feedback to sales teams and individuals, to promote accountability and drive performance. Key components of a sales performance report. Executive summary, a concise overview of the report's key findings and recommendations. Sales revenue analysis. Total sales revenue generated during the reporting period. Sales growth rate compared to previous periods. Breakdown of sales revenue by product, region, or sales representative. Key performance indicators, or KPIs. Sales volume, the number of units sold. Average deal size, the average value of each closed deal. Conversion rate, the percentage of leads that convert into customers. Sales pipeline analysis, the value and health of the sales pipeline. Customer acquisition cost, or CAC, the cost of acquiring a new customer. Customer retention rate, the percentage of customers who remain loyal. Individual and team performance, performance of individual sales representatives compared to targets. Overall performance of the sales team, identification of top and low performers, sales strategy analysis, evaluation of the effectiveness of implemented sales strategies. Market analysis, an overview of market conditions during the reporting period. We will delve into the analysis of market trends and their impact on sales. Additionally, we will conduct a competitive analysis and compare our performance with industry benchmarks. Customer analysis. This includes customer segmentation and a detailed customer demographic analysis. Recommendations. Here are some actionable insights and recommendations for improving sales performance. Now let's take a look at an example data of a sales performance report. Example 1, summary table of sales performance. Metric target, actual achievement. Total sales target, 500,000 rupees. Actual 450,000 rupees. Variance minus 50,000 rupees. Percentage achievement 90%. Units sold target 10,000. Actual minus 1,000. Percentage achievement 90%. Average deal size target 50 rupees. Actual 50 rupees. Variance 0. Percentage achievement 100%. Sales growth 10%, actual 8%, variance minus 2%, percentage achievement 80%, conversion rate, target 25%, actual 20%, variance minus 5%, percentage achievement 80%, quota achievement, target 100%, actual 90%, variance minus 10%, percentage achievement. Example 2, sales by region. Region, sales target, actual sales, variance and percentage achievement. North rupees, 150,000. Actual sales rupees, 145,000. Variance, minus rupees 5,000 and percentage achievement, 96.7%. South, rupees 120,000. Actual sales rupees 110,000. Variance minus rupees 10,000 and percentage achievement, 91.7%. East, rupees 130,000, actual sales, rupees 125,000, variance minus rupees 5,000, and percentage achievement 96.2%. West rupees 100,000, actual sales, rupees 90,000, variance minus rupees 10,000, and percentage achievement 90%. Example 3, Sales by product, product target units, actual units, variance, percentage achievement, revenue. Product A, 2,000, 1,800 minus 290%, Rs, 90,000. Product B, 3,000, 3,200 plus 200, 106.7%, Rs, 160,000. Product C, 5,000, 4,000 minus 1,000, 80%, Rs, 200,000. Analysis of the example data. Sales performance. The company had a target of Rs, 500,000 in sales, but achieved Rs, 450,000, which is 90% of the target. This suggests the sales team fell short of their goal by Rs, 50,000. Sales by region. The North and East regions performed well, with over 96% achievement, while the South and West regions underperformed by 8 to 10%. Product performance. Product B exceeded its sales target by 6.7%, while Product A and Product C fell short of their targets. Key insights and actions. Underperforming regions. The South and West regions need attention. The sales manager might consider allocating additional resources or focusing on regional marketing efforts to boost sales. Successful products. Product B is performing well and could be used as a model to improve the sales of underperforming products like Product A and Product C. Salesperson or team performance. The report could also provide insights into individual or team performance. Sales reps who are not meeting quotas may need training, additional resources, or a review of their sales tactics. Finally, it provides fully informative data to the company to analyze sales and its improvements.
If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.